from 4,000 feet, that's still a lot to go up and down in one day. So maybe they camped on the way, It's a nice place.
Is she working now?
Yeah.
What is she doing?
The same thing at community college or that whatever international school.
So is she teaching? Or
English is a second language.
She's teaching.
And then he said she's teaching German to two people on the weekends.
Why?
I don't know. Somebody that they know, it's husband of somebody they know or something.
So she does.
Apparently she's getting paid to, it's not like for free, she's getting paid to do it. So.
You have to do that.
Yeah, she did a year in Germany when she was in college.
And I think I think that's the country they went to when they
left Russia. Yeah. So she was there for 2 years before she came to the U.S. and I think her German was pretty good. Conversational German was probably pretty good at that point. I don't know if you're leaving Russia, what kind of, if they knew that they were going to be in Germany for 2 years and so they started studying German. I don't know if their parents speak German. I think if she was there at 12 and they put her in a German school, she probably picked it up pretty fast. I don't know how similar Russian and German is. I think some of the consonants are the same. There could be some common roots in the vocabulary. Not a good place to sightsee. Can you imagine making this trip every day? Living out there and working downtown or something, driving a bus. I guess driving a bus, you shouldn't have to.
You get used to the curves. It's
kind
of pleasant. There's not a lot of traffic. Driving a bus might not be that fun, but driving a car.
Well, I'm just saying it's a great view. I mean, I loved working at the state park and just, it was a great place to go every morning.
So you're saying
it was the Grand Canyon of the East. It was this huge canyon. It was nothing like the Grand Canyon, but it was a nice-sized canyon. Lots of wildlife. Like, I work here. This is cool. That big church sitting there.
And it's been really quiet all day for being Christmas.
Well, I mean fireworks.
Yeah, but that was this morning.
Yeah.
I mean, for the day, I expected it to be a lot crazier.
It's a big soccer field or something. Maybe it's okay, maybe somewhere there. Okay, now, are you calling?
No.
Well, if we're going to leave the car, we need to.
Oh.
We're getting close.
Well, where's your phone?
It's in the cigarette lighter there. Plus, I also have to map the place to make sure we haven't already passed it.
No, I don't think we have. Because you have. Oh, you don't. Neither of us have calling. Who has a better plan for calling Mexico?
Oh, my other phone should be in here.